Hello and very welcome, Greg here, SiteEng, and in today's video I will tell you how to upskill and how to learn more to progress in this 2025. The year for construction looks really promising, so I myself really believe that's going to be a year for opportunities, and that's going to be for everyone. If you're a site engineer trying to get into more senior engineer role, that's the one for you. And if you're just starting as a junior engineer, maybe it's time to jump for the site engineer. There will be more opportunities, and definitely for the beginners, if you just want to start in construction, that's going to be much better year than the last two. And I got some information for you in this video. I will start from the site engineers and setting out engineers who are already working in construction, as I got some good information for you. I didn't know about it myself. I just found out a few months ago really about the Leica MyWorld, and I just want to show you this as it's very interesting. I'm going to leave the links below so you can have a look yourself. But once you register, you got access to a lot of learning, a lot of information, a lot of courses, and it's just great. I didn't know about it. I'm going to be using this more myself as well, especially when we're talking about 3D scanning and all this. I'm going to be going more into it. So if you can see here, I got the products and services, and I can just jump into the online learning. And okay, I need to log in. Yeah, so that's all the courses. So as you can see here, you got like a GSO5, so you got information about GNSS in general. You got fundamentals, aligning laser scanner, introduction to tunnel survey. You got Leica Captivate monitoring. There's loads of information here. Give me 1 second, as this is definitely more than that. So I'm going to go here to the courses, all courses. That's going to be actually even better. And as you can see here, all these courses are available for you, so it's definitely worth to see here, top up our skills, get that more confidence about ourselves, and just step up a little bit. And you can see Leica icon here. Many people asking me, Greg, how the Leica icon is working, can you help us? So there's actually a couple of videos on my YouTube channel. There will be more, but just get access to this one, as loads of information here as well. And as I said, you got Cyclone 3DR, or maybe I jumped a little bit quicker. Geo radar, so it's plenty information, plenty courses. And what is great about it, you can actually get certified by it. So you're going to finish one course and you're going to get certificates. So imagine getting the Leica certificates. That's great, especially if you want to add something into your CV on LinkedIn as well, which I'm going to say a little bit later about. The only catch is actually you need to register some equipment from Leica. So once you have some total station, you're obviously working with some total station on site anyway, so you can try to use that serial number, or even the controller works as well, as I bought the controller last year and that's what's working for me. And once you're going to register, you're going to put the serial number, your product, then you're going to get access to all this information. I think it's just great, really. Look at the amount of information there is, and I'm going to be definitely using this as well, especially for the new products coming from Leica. Another one I want to show you in this video, it's the Udemy, where you're going to learn a lot, and especially now once I uploaded my courses. I know it's a little bit self-advertisement, but what I did, I structured a little bit more the information I got for you. I put actually very basics. So in this case, that's going to be for the beginners, that's going to be for the people who want to start in construction, who don't really know the construction, don't know how to start, how to do the first steps, how to prepare the first CV, how to prepare for the interview. So that's a couple of courses for you. And obviously then jumping into site tasks like leveling, setting out, and obviously reading the drawings. I just quickly jump here so you can see here. It's already more than 500 students, so it's going really well. And I got 2 courses available. One is coming actually today. You can have a look here, how to start a career in construction industry. So that's where the basic knowledge is. I got a friend Alina there with a lesson about the visas and how to get right to work in UK. So that might be interesting if you are from abroad. And if you are from UK or Ireland, there's still quite a lot of interesting information, especially when you want to start in the industry. Another one is the leveling here. So the courses, as I said, for the beginners, I want to teach you how to use a laser level, the basic laser level. That's going to be your first task on site. And it's really good that you can understand and how we're going to be leveling. I also put some dumpy level information as well, as I really like my engineers to understand how the dumpy works. Although on most sites actually there is no dumpy, which is a little bit crazy, but that's how it is. Understanding the dumpy give you all the confidence using all other lasers. Another one, as I said, that's going to be surveying and setting out in construction. So that's while we master the leveling, and the basic laser. Obviously we're going to start doing something with the total station, with the setting out little bit. As I said, this is for beginners, so I just teaching you what the setting out surveying is really. I show you the Leica Viva total station there, just so you can understand how do you set it for your works, and what programs, applications there are available for marking the points, marking the lines, doing the basic surveys. That are actually four courses are for the beginners. That's going to be foundations for you. So before you start even in construction, I think you should go through them, get that foundation, and then later we're going to start building your knowledge on the foundations. I would really like to see my junior engineers, people starting on construction site with knowledge from these courses. I'll be myself very happy. So another thing, obviously you probably looked for the information there before, is YouTube. It's a very good platform with all the information. The only problem is there's actually loads of information and you might not find what you're looking for. And sometimes it's a trust as well, because I watched a couple of videos where people were talking a little bit strange things, to say at least. But yeah, that's my channel here as well. As I said, the courses for the beginners are structured, so you can go step by step. But I got a playlist here as well on the channel, so you can have a look. You can see actually how we're working on construction site. You can see how we're going to be doing setting out. You can find out how to read the drawings. So there's plenty of information here. You can meet the people from the industry as well, so you can hear their story. It's very interesting and very inspiring as well, especially when you're starting. And when we're talking about the upskilling and getting better in the industry, I cannot miss the LinkedIn and your LinkedIn profile. And I really can say how important it is to get your profile looking nice, all the information there. This is actually our CV nowadays. So obviously you might be asked to send the CV. It's a old school way, but everyone gonna be jumping on your profile. So you really imagine this as your business card, first impression. That's where your photo actually is. That's where your basic information is. So on the CV, you're not gonna be adding the photo, but people are gonna be actually jumping on your profile and gonna see you as well. And that might be worth that you're gonna be in the hard hat with the total station in the action when you're looking for the site engineer job, or maybe when you're applying for the more senior role, maybe that's gonna be worth to do some professional picture in the suit, present yourself in the more professional office way, I would say. But I really say this is important, and you should really go through some profiles and try to adjust it a little bit for yourself. In the course for the beginners, actually Edita is my guest, and she shows you how to enhance your profile a little bit, how to make it better. I'm going to leave some links below, so if you're looking for the information how to do it better, or if you're looking for someone to do it for you, maybe you're going to find the information in the description as well. But as I say, LinkedIn is very important nowadays, so just remember this. So just to sum up, really remember, if you're working already on site, if you got access to some serial number, or if you got your own equipment, use it. Go to Leica MyWorld, great stuff there. I was really surprised when I saw it myself. I said, wow, that was all available, crazy. Then obviously, if you're a beginner, just start going through Udemy. You might actually find some more courses on Udemy anyway, but I started my own now with a beginner, and in 2025 there are going to be more courses, more advanced level coming as well. So you can pop in there in a few months and have a look. There will be something for you as well if you are already a setting out or site engineer. And as I said, LinkedIn, YouTube, look for that information. Never stop learning. This is very important. Never stop learning. And I'll see you in the next one.